Amaebi. Imagine this. Ocean spray kisses your cheeks, carrying the whisper of salt and a melody sweeter than the sea breeze. A symphony of flavors dances on your tongue, each note as delicate as a snowflake, yet vibrant as a coral reef. This, my friends, is the call of the Amaebi, the sweet shrimp, beckoning you on a culinary adventure unlike any other. A jewel from the cold. Unlike their sun-drenched cousins, Amaebi is born of pristine northern waters, their translucent bodies adorned with a pearlescent sheen that speaks of icy depths. These cold water crustaceans are no ordinary shrimp. They are jewels crafted by the sea itself, each one a testament to the ocean's hidden sweetness. A symphony on the tongue. The true magic of Amaebi lies in their taste. Forget the harsh twang of ordinary shrimp. Amaebi offers a concerto of delicate notes. Bite into one, and let the impossibly tender flesh melt on your tongue, releasing a wave of pure sweetness that mingles with the subtle kiss of the sea. It's a whisper of melon, a hint of brine, a whisper of citrus, each nuance playing its part in a crescendo of pure delight. A culinary canvas. The beauty of Amaebi lies not just in their taste, but in their versatility. Savor them raw, glistening like jewels on a bed of sushi rice. Each dip into soy sauce and wasabi, a tiny explosion of flavor. Let them grace your sashimi platter, their translucent bodies adding an ethereal elegance to the artistic tableau. Or, for a touch of warmth, grill them lightly, the sweetness caramelizing ever so slightly, their delicate fragrance filling the air. A treasure to be cherished. Amaebi is a fleeting pleasure, a seasonal gift from the ocean. So when you encounter them, cherish them. Treat them with reverence, for they are more than just food. They are an experience, a poem written in brine and sweetness. Beyond the bite, let Amaebi inspire you to explore. Seek out other treasures from the cold seas, where delicate flavors and hidden gems await. And, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and join me on this delectable voyage through the world of culinary wonders. Until next time, bon appétit. Beyond sushi dreams, while Amaebi shines on the sushi stage, their versatility extends far beyond. Picture delicate tempura, the tender flesh enrobed in a light, crispy batter, each bite delivering a delightful contrast of textures and flavors. Or, imagine them nestled in a creamy risotto, their sweetness weaving through the richness of the rice, creating a dish that is both luxurious and surprisingly harmonious. A touch of fire, don't be afraid to unleash your inner fire starter. Skewered and grilled over smoldering embers, Amaebi takes on a new dimension. The smoke kisses their pearly shells, infusing them with a subtly smokiness that dances with their inherent sweetness. Dip them in a citrusy ponzu for a refreshing counterpoint, or embrace the heat with a touch of chili oil. Hidden depths, hidden pearls. Not all Amaebi are created equal. The prized Botan Ebi, a deep-sea variety, boasts a plumpness and sweetness that surpasses even their surface-dwelling cousins. Their flesh, infused with the richness of the deep ocean floor, explodes on the tongue with a nuanced sweetness that lingers long after the last bite. Seek them out if you dare, and experience the pinnacle of Amaebi delicacy. A sustainable feast. Choosing Amaebi isn't just a culinary indulgence, it's a statement. Many Amaebi species are harvested sustainably, ensuring the continued bounty of these ocean jewels for generations to come. Look for certifications like MSC, Marine Stewardship Council, to ensure your plate is filled with both flavor and responsibility. A legacy of flavor. The allure of Amaebi extends beyond the individual plate. These treasures of the sea have inspired culinary traditions for centuries, their delicate sweetness woven into the fabric of cultures bordering the Pacific. From the artistic precision of Japanese sashimi to the vibrant flavors of Korean seafood pancakes, Amaebi offers a glimpse into the diverse culinary tapestry of the region. Remember, Amaebi is best enjoyed fresh, so keep an eye out at your local fishmonger or specialty market. And if you find yourself lucky enough to encounter these culinary gems, treat them with the respect they deserve. They are, after all, a taste of the ocean's hidden sweetness.